So how does your funds enhance their engagement and satisfaction, from the passive investor's perspective? I know you're saying you give them access to the broad spectrum of deals. So I'm assuming not necessarily these deals are applicable to one sponsor either. It could be multiple sponsors that they have
Multiple sponsors, multiple asset classes. Fantastic question, Vinky. So let me tell you how the passive investor benefits. Multiple ways. The first thing is they go to a single portal. They're not going to multiple accounts. They get a single login. Just like a stock brokerage account, they'll see how each individual investment is doing. We already talked about the virtual cash balance, right? It makes it much easier for them to deposit money regularly on a periodic intervals, maybe every $5,000 every month.